Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Opposition spokesman on investment, trade, and global logistics, Anthony Hilton, recently spoke in a sectoral debate in the House of Representatives earlier this month that Jamaica's current per capita wage is 1.1 million Jamaican dollars. The new minimum wage for a 40-hour week is now $15,000 per week effective June 1, 2024, up from $13,000. That said, we sat down with Rachel Curlew, Assistant Vice President of Investments at Mayberry Investments, for a strategy session on how to use investments to create another source of income. Rachel, we're at a point where people are looking additional income, passive income even better. Do you have any ideas?
Firstly, thanks for having me. And yes, passive income is a great way to earn money on your money with minimal efforts. And fixed income securities provide the best opportunity right now to earn some passive incomes. The MJE bonds actually provide a great opportunity for individuals to earn and capitalize on this passive income strategy.
And MJE is Mayberry Group?
It's a part of the Mayberry Group.
Okay.
It means Mayberry Jamaican Equities. So it's a part of the Mayberry Group of companies. A lot of persons will know Mayberry Investments Limited,
right,
which is one of the leading financial services company in Jamaica. But MJE, on the other hand, no, it's our investment arm that holds our publicly listed equities on the market.
And so you're saying that a good way to earn some passive income is that you buy the bond, and then what happens?
Okay, so you buy the bond. The bonds are paying interest on a quarterly basis. So every 3 months, you're guaranteed a check in your pocket with your returns on your money. Plus, at the end of the bond, you are guaranteed a last check with your entire principal amount. So you're locking into fixed interest rates for depending on the time of the bond, plus you're guaranteeing your principal payment at the end of the bond.
All right. Thank you, Rachel Curlew, Vice President of Investments at Mayberry Investments. During trading for May 21, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Alternative energy provider Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 4,825,461 units, amounting to 32.72% of the entire market volume in terms of equity sales. Toll road operator Trans Jamaican Highway Limited with 2,247,194 units, amounting to 15.24% of the entire market volume in terms of equity sales. Online educator Edufocal Limited with 1,156,791 units, amounting to 7.84% of the entire market volume in terms of equity sales. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on May 21, 2024, registered a volume of 140,119 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at $2,059,517 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 94 cents. Trinidad Cement Limited was the volume leader with 48,852 shares, changing hands for a value of 124,868 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 30 cents, followed by the West Indian Tobacco Company Limited with a volume of 34,584 shares being traded for 311,529 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 84 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On May 21, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $43.9 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $53.6 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, Foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.86 and bought the US dollar for $155.17. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.55, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $1.02 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $115.61 and bought for $114.85. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $7.64, selling it for $198.70 and buying it for $192.94. For our credit report tip of the day, we are helping you transition from one job, whether through loss or change, to the next. And it is very important to be proactive. Monitor your credit report. Every 30 days, a new report is issued on you. You're tracked from the age of 18 to the rest of your life. So regularly check your credit report for any inaccuracies or signs of identity theft. If you are laid off, if you change jobs, if you migrate, it's a great opportunity for fraudsters to shift other people's debt and problems onto your credit report. You are legally entitled to get a free credit report from the credit bureaus once per year so that you can check up. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I am Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.